Kia ora, brothers and sisters in New Zealand, and talofa lava to all my Samoan brothers and sisters out there as well. Today I'm making the Maori pork bone boil up. I'm so excited. So I was having so much trouble finding stuff to make this. Like I finally got a big pot. If you want to see how I got all this stuff, then watch till the very end of this video and I'll have some extra footage after it's done. So I was able to get pork bone. These are some leg hocks. They have the bone in. And here is a bunch of pork neck bone with tons of fat on it. Oh, fat means flavor. Now the thing I thought I would not be able to find is watercress because I couldn't find it anywhere. But at the very last grocery store I looked, they had some watercress. Now don't shoot me, but my wife knew I was going to make this, and she asked me to put in some other vegetables that she knew she would like. So let me show you those. So the first thing is she has a few butter lettuce at the bottom. She thinks it tastes a lot like watercress as well, so I don't know. But there's that. The one thing I could not find anywhere was a pumpkin, big or small. So we're using sweet potatoes. She also wanted some of her favorite vegetables, which is Brussels sprouts, which hopefully that won't spoil the overall taste of the boil up. And also some bok choy. I don't think bok choy will bother it because bok choy tastes good in every soup, right? And a few zucchini as well. These are her favorite things. And I didn't want to go through all this trouble to make just one meal for something that probably only she will like. I will try it, but the kids will not. So let's get started. Okay, as you can see, I filled the water up over that. I'm probably going to add a little more water so it's about half full. And I'm also going to add about, I believe 2 to 3 teaspoons of salt. And then I'll start it up to boil and let it set for almost 3 hours. All right, we're seeing a bit. All right, putting in the salt. And I want to thank everyone who commented on my wife's ancestry, video that we made recently, because you are the ones, see my light? You are the ones that told me about this, because she also found out in her DNA that she's also Maori. If you haven't seen that video yet, check it out. And that is why we are making this. And please excuse my HAKA at the beginning. I know I'm not Maori or even Polynesian, but I tried my best. So the soup's been boiling for about an hour so far, but good news, I finally talked my wife out of eating the bok choy, which is more for like Asian soups, and the Brussels sprouts. But I did read on my homepage, or where someone wrote also put in cabbage, like a whole head of cabbage. We didn't have that, but we have all the shredded cabbage. So we're going to put the cabbage, watercress, sweet potato, and she still wants the zucchini. All right, let's see how it's looking in there. So one thing I realized right away are these pots. Woo, smells good. You can smell them pork bones just getting all the marrow. Ooh, a little foggy, a little marrow, all the marrow out of those bones. It's going to be delicious, I hope. All right, it's been about 2 hours and 45 minutes. I mean, 2 hours and 15 minutes. We have about 45 minutes left. See, it's boiling up in there. A lot of the water has reduced. I'm going to put in first the sweet potatoes because they're super dense and hard. And the zucchini. My wife likes them super soft. Let's do that first. Okay, I just want to make sure I do it without splashing. But I'm going to splash a little bit. There we go. And now zucchini time. All right, let me go get the veggies. All right, now we're going to add the cabbage. Woo! And let me go grab the watercress. So I've got the watercress now. That smells like nothing I've ever smelled before, so I don't think I've ever smelled or had watercress. Let's dump that in, along with a little handful of the butter lettuce. And I'm just going to cover it again. I'm not going to push it down into the soup. I don't remember if that's the way I'm supposed to do it, but I'm pretty sure the steam and the boiling water is going to suck that down into the soup and soften it up. and add the all flavors together. I'm so excited to see if my wife is going to like this or not. All right, stick around. We'll be right back. All right, there's only about 15 minutes left. Let's look and see how everything's coming. Oh, look at that. I tell you, I hope my wife likes it, but it sure does smell good. Thank you for all the input, subscribers and viewers that let me know about making this boil up. I'm excited to try it along with my wife. All right, time is up. So I'm going to go down in this pot and get my wife some veggies. And definitely there's some pork neck. And get her this giant, look at this giant hawk. Oh my gosh, it's huge. Let me see if, another neck. Let's see if I can get her some of the things she wanted, like her zucchini, or what do you call it, zucchini? Something. And what else do I got down here? Wow, it smells really good, for sure. All right, let me put this one down and see if I can get some, I'll get a ladle so I can get her some of the soup as well. All right, I got her this. There we go. Get her some of this broth made out of the pork bones. Smells good. And I can smell the vegetables. I can smell that. That's how it looks. Here we go. Can't wait to see how she reacts and what she thinks of the Maori food. I'm so excited. Oh, almost forgot the sweet potato. Let me put some of that on there as well. All right. Let's go check it out and see how she likes it. All right. We're all going to try to eat the Maori. Well, my wife and I are going to try to eat the Maori boil up. So let's see how it tastes. We said our blessing, and I came back over here to get my salt because I love salt on everything. Even though I do use the no salt, no sodium, good for your heart. Bless you, sweetie. Oh, you had an extra spoon. Who doesn't have a spoon?
Me.
There you go, darling. Sorry about that.
This has butter on it. I like that one instead.
Trade you. Yeah, my 14-year-old loves butter on all her soups, so I gotta make sure. I'm gonna try. I'm eating what the girls eat right now, just in case I don't like that. But I'm gonna try it here in a second. Mmm, so good. Well,
Meat's good. I mean, really good.
it's good. It's really good. Thank you, New Zealand. Now you gotta do this, honey. Stick your tongue out. Go ahead. Oh, look at that little tonguey. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get that little tonguey. I'll get the tongue action later. Just kidding. Baby. Little still I want some crackers.
A quarter for each. Quarter for each. Let's see how much is in there. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
You can count.
Wow, the stew is good.
16,
Mom can count.
I'm gonna try
18,
the Maori boil up next. I can't wait.
23. So 23 cents. What
Hold
is
on, I'll
that?
be right back.
Out of what?
Out of
Huh?
quarter.
Out of quarter.
It's not a quarter.
No, I said it's a quarter each, so there's 23. So how much total is it? What's total? It's 23 crackers, and I told her a
Just
quarter
give me
piece.
my
A quarter a piece of the
Cracker.
23. So 23 times 25.
So let's just like, give me my crackers.
What's the total? If she eats all that, how much does she owe me?
what?
Yeah, I told you, you
Let
gotta
me
pay
do
a
the
toll.
quiet.
It's because I stole your stupid.
Quiet. I'm trying to do the math.
She's trying to do the math. Okay, I want to try mom's food. And the watercress. How's the watercress? I have never, ever... All I've heard of is water chestnuts. I've never heard of watercress. But I definitely want to try the broth. I think I got a little bit of pork fat in there too. Wow. That has such a clean taste. Very natural. Taste organic, I mean, very healthy. Wow. That is good, sweetie. Good job, Maori. Oh, she's going to try the pork meat. Let's see how it is. She goes right for the fat. Tender?
Very.
Oh, good.
Very.
Mm-hmm. It was really good.
How much percent of Maori were you? You were 62 Samoan, 20 Tongan, so that's 82. I don't remember from the
I think
video.
I was
You're like,
three.
you were more than 2. You were more than 1 for sure.
No, I think it was 3.
3%?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that 3% is coming through right now.
Oh, we're learning about
Oh,
Polynesian
yeah.
in social studies.
What's that?
We're learning about Polynesian in social studies.
What? You're learning about Polynesian in the Palani school? That is awesome. What are you
In
like
the
to...
white school.
That's Palani is like a person. Palani necessarily means a person not of the island, I think. I don't know. I think everyone says it's a white person, but I think originally it meant someone not from the island. Correct me if I'm wrong.
We're learning about right now how Samoans and I think they're called voyagers. They sailed across
Yeah, the Voyagers.
the Atlantic Ocean.
They sailed across the Pacific Ocean.
Oh yeah, perfect.
So the other half of your culture, Daddy, Scandinavians, we sailed across the Atlantic Ocean to Iceland and Greenland, and were the first people to find America. Even though Christopher Columbus gets the credit, the Vikings found it hundreds of years before that. And then Mami, the Samoan Polynesians, they were wayfarers, at least that's what they called it in Moana. And they sailed the largest ocean.
And they're
To-
called voyagers.
Voyagers, to find their new home.
And they used birds to find their way to islands.
Awesome. Go for it. That Silhouette, you had something to say?
Yeah, the day after Pal's birthday, I feel like we should do something early for me and Mom is going for the Sakura con. Going to the
Oh,
Sakura
cool.
That's not going to happen this year.
con. Please?
No, it's going to only, no, we'll do it when,
But Mom, I really want to go.
I thought they were going this year. It's open.
it depends if she comes or not. But I can't do it without her here. You know why that is?
Why?
Because I already paid for SakuraCon. No, beautiful. I mean, she already paid for SakuraCon.
Oh, okay.
But I'd pay it with my birthday
They're
money.
debating over an anime cosplay convention.
Mom, I'm gonna meet my friends there.
Well,
I put a lot of the broth from the pork bones in here. Man, it's so clean. And it tastes so good. Really good. And my wife's super enjoying the pork, using the pork bones. I had suggested the pork bones or brisket, but I'm glad I went with the pork bones because my wife is super enjoying it. I'm glad, sweetie. So my one question is, the Samoans have Jeehoo! Do the Maori have something that they say that's similar to that? Let me know in the comments. I'm excited to hear what it is. Honey, you've ate almost every speck of meat and the fat off the bone. She's eaten over 80% of her soup. My wife don't eat very much, so I'm very shocked that she ate that much.
whoa.
Whoa, good job, sweetie. And I'm done.
Meat right in there.
I always eat.
Oh, bone marrow. Yeah. Forgot about that one.
I didn't really eat the collagen fat of the pig meat, but I ate some of the watercress, which isn't bad at all. It tastes very, like I said, organic and healthy. And I don't like zucchini, though. I didn't eat none of that. And I didn't eat any of the sweet potato. But The pork meat and the broth was phenomenal. Thank you so much for recommending this dish to us. I'm so pleased. Alofa too. God bless. Anything you want to say, sweetie?
Oh, that was a very good recipe.
She's not big on whole sentences. So, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. We did Irish of my wife's ancestor. We did Maori now of my wife's ancestor, and we always do Samoan. So what's left? We eat Chinese food. I think Scottish food is the only thing we have left.
Scotland Isle.
Scotland, yeah, and I think the only thing they have is something called haggis, which is like
Lots of potato.
no, that's Irish. It's haggis is like
It's like
sheep guts or something. I don't know. I'll look it up and make my wife eat it.
What about French?
She's not French. All right, everyone. So much. We love you for watching. God bless you so much. Make sure you tell a friend if you like the video. And we really appreciate it. And Sylva's throwing candy at us. Thank you so much. Passe fou, everyone. This house is crazy sometimes. Don't say nothing. You gonna say goodbye, honey? Bye. All right, we're out. Peace.
Oh, God. I don't know why she freaked out over that. All I did was this, Bella. Innocently.
And by the way, I might have mentioned this earlier, but if you want to watch where I got the giant pot, what else I brought at my grocery shopping, stay tuned for this bonus video, and you get to see everything I bought for 2 weeks worth of groceries for our small family of 4 that live here right now. And also you get to see where I got the pot and how much I paid for it. All right, again, face fua. Bye-bye. Hello, let's fool everyone. How are you Usos doing and your sisters doing, and why you keep following me everywhere? So I'm pushing my free grocery cart out to my truck, or the trolley that was free. This is about 2 weeks worth of groceries. I'm gonna do a Maori pork bone boil up today. So I'm so excited to try it. The only thing is they didn't have one of the ingredients I really wanted, but I got a bunch of other stuff. And I'm gonna go shop for a pot now, and because I need one of them big pots. And then after the video, if you want to stick around, I will go over all these groceries I bought, tell you how much it costs here at the commissary, which is a grocery store on the military base. So now I'm gonna go to the PX, which is the department store on the military base. I'll show you some of that. And that place is tax-free too, so which is really good. That's all. Let's get started. All right, I just parked at the post exchange. They call it the PX. So that's it down there, the big taller area. They also have a military clothing store for soldiers to replace parts or get extra things. They have a dry cleaners, and they have a hair barber shop. Then right there, I don't know, you probably can't see it, but they have a Class 6 store. That is the military's code name for the liquor store. So if you want duty-free, tax-free, cheap liquor that you don't pay anything extra on, that's where you would go if you drink hard liquor. I don't drink hard liquor, but I think you can get beer there too, though. Before I take you in the store, though, let me show you this awesome old Mustang Mach 1 that's parked next to me, or I parked next to it. I can see Faye driving this car, huh? Oh, there'd be so many. She'd be like Mad Max. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to record in here, but I will show you some of the inside. I may just not do any talking. Oh, you got Starbucks there, UPS store, Turkish carpets and gifts. Have a satellite pharmacy, an entrance to the military clothing. This is not a mall, that's just a big store. with different things in it. Some makeup store, I'm not sure what that is. MAC. There's Bath and Body Works. Get that lotion. Just walked past the store entrance, but I'm gonna show you some other things first. So they do have a little food court here with the Subway Slim Chickens, whatever that is, Charlie Subs, Philly cheesesteaks at Arby's, and that's it. They have a, looks like a Japanese restaurant coming soon. The place is just set. It's really early in the morning, so this place doesn't get crowded till probably 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. So this is the PX. It's quite a huge store. Just I gotta look for the kitchen stuff. So looks like they've got women's clothes over here and makeup and stuff and Victoria's Secret stuff. Let's stay away from the underwear area. I'll go a different way. I don't want to seem like I'm taking pictures of some lady's brasiers. Hey, maybe I don't know where I'm going. I don't come in here very often. Even though everything's tax-free, it doesn't necessarily mean it's super cheap in here. I mean, they don't do any markups in price, but they don't really have sales per se either because it's all tax-free anyways. Okay, it looks like I'm in the clothes area, so let me turn this off and go find the pots and pans. Okay, kind of leaving the clothes area and getting into the electronics area. Oh, there's some nice TVs. And athletic area. Since I'm here, I want to check out the GoPro stuff, see what they got, anything cool or new. I use a 9 myself. Oh, don't see what I was looking for, so okay. The cool thing is when you buy something that's this expensive, like this is $699, so when you go up to pay for it, it will be exactly $699. I don't know if that's like that anywhere else, but here everything's tax-free, so you pay exactly what it says on the sticker. Looks like they have the bodybuilding section, all the protein shakes and stuff. Gift cards area. I cannot find kitchen stuff for my life of me. And this is for Eazy E. Eazy E, I know you love guns, so they got the whole gun place. Tax-free guns. Oh look, they even have sales sometimes. So camping stuff, fishing stuff. All right, let's keep going on and find the darn kitchen stuff if they have it. All right, they got refrigerators, even these smart ones or whatever they're called, fancy ones. So they should be somewhere close, I hope. Oh, I see some pots and pans. I think I found it. Let's hope they have a big pot. So on the clearance shelf, they have this 11-piece set that has a pretty big pot there, but I don't want to buy a whole set. I like the stuff I have. Let's keep looking. All right, here's a little bit of cooking stuff, baking stuff. That'd be nice for my outdoor grill. Another 14-piece set. Cast iron stuff. Darn it, I don't see it yet. Let me keep looking. And I believe this is the last aisle. I've been down 4 aisles looking for it. And oh, I got some stuff over here. Plate sets. Very frustrating that they don't sell it individually. Rather. Oh well, I'll just have to use my big stew pot and hope that's big enough. I know my kids probably will not want something cooked in pork bones. I don't know, maybe they will. But they don't like all the vegetables that I'm going to put in there for sure. So, okay. Looks like a wasted trip. Oh, wait a minute. Just as I'm walking out. What is this? Is that $9.99? No way. Let me look. Let me get my glasses on. Just checking the other side too to see if they have any other ones. It looks like they only have those 2. But I don't think the $9.99 is the right price. Let me see if they got a price checker or someone can tell me how much one of these are. Oh, that would be perfect. Let me grab one that's not being touched all the time. All right, I got the pot. I went up there and had her ring the price up first. $18.99. So that, I think, is a pretty good deal. I don't know, you tell me. But tax-free, so it was exactly $18.99. All right, my YouTube family. I'm going back to the truck. And thank you so much for joining me. We're gonna go home and make some Maori, if I can say that right, Maori boil up. Let's do it. All right, I'm gonna do this as quick as possible because I want to put this stuff up. Got a pile of bananas for su'afa'i later. I got 2 pounds of strawberries. Got this box of these mini sweet crisp apples. Of course, I have my menu here. Already did for 2 weeks. That's why I knew what to buy. I always plan it out 2 weeks what I'm going to make. That saves us a lot of money. Got some, I don't know what that is, zucchini or something? I don't know. Got some bok choy in there, green onions, hot dog buns. Got 4 different types of cheeses, some butter lettuce, sweet potato, mini cabbage balls, whatever those are called, Brussels sprouts, sour cream, milk, macaroni salad, some diced up ham, butter, and some cheese slices. Let's go over the table's a mess right now, but I got these fire logs that I use for relaxing in the nighttime. Plus, I'm also going to use the smaller ones for the umu. Got a couple, 2 pounds of hamburger meat. Got some thick country style pork ribs. Got some chicken breast, some chicken drumsticks. These are stuff I'm going to use for the boil up. Some pork hocks with the bone in. And also some pork neck bones right there. Got some salmon from their fish area. They wrap it and vacuum seal it for you right there. Got some sliced pork belly. Ooh, that looks really good. And what's that? Oh, and some stew meat. Got raw extra large shrimp. It is peeled, deveined, and tail is still on though. Got some french fries. Got my wife some new candles. She already took one out. It's like Hawaiian aloha scent. French fries, some chicken nugget popcorn. Bought myself a new set of readers with the red frame. Got to keep looking sexy. Over here just got snacks for the kids and my wife when I'm not cooking. Some little chicken egg rolls, some bagel bites, a little pizza. These are like my little snacks, maybe lunchtime snacks. They're jalapeno and beef burritos. I got some ring bologna. This is a German brand. I like to cut these up in little chunks and marinate it in vinegar, so it's pickled bologna I eat. Got a giant bag of some charcoal bricks. Got a bag of medicine here. Now I won't show you the medicine that we get for us because, you know, everyone takes certain medicines all the time, but in a normal store this would have probably cost over $120, and all together it probably cost me $40, so that's part of my grocery bill. Got some TP, some ramen and cup of noodles. Got my little girl's favorite apple juice, some Coke for my teenager, a gallon of vegetable oil. What else we got? We got some Nathan's Jumbo Franks. That's where they do the hot dog eating contest every year at Nathan's. Got my wife a water bottle. Got some udon noodles. Got some yellow potatoes. Got some olive oil spray. Some more garlic powder. Looks like pineapple slices. Some SpaghettiOs. Some mackerel. Chili, mackerel, beefaroni, coconut cream, coconut milk, more chili, some spaghetti, more coconut, more mackerel, more coconut cream, some ranch, some olives, some cat food and cat treats. Got some tapioca for the su'afa'i. Got some oyster sauce. Got some coffee additive for my wife. Got some tamari. This is brewed soy sauce, so good. Some candy for my kids' lunch. I sneak a little few in there. Got some taco seasoning, some coffee, some pancake mix, some cooking stock, some elbow macaroni, taco shells, rice, crackers. These are more things I put in their lunch bag. Some goldfish crackers, some thin Oreos, and some fruit roll-ups. I think that's everything. So this whole price was everything that I got here. This will be enough for us to eat 2 weeks based on my menu. I may have to buy another half gallon of milk in the future, like a week from now. But this normally will last us 2 weeks. Everything I got and everything I got here. Plus, we have things that I didn't need to buy. Like I didn't need to buy eggs, and I didn't need to buy a couple other things. But all this came down to $349. So that may sound like a lot, but that's 2 weeks worth of groceries for $349. And if I went shopping like at a Safeway or Albertsons, like a regular, not a discount grocery store, but a regular grocery store here in Washington, this would have for sure cost over $500. So thanks for watching this bonus clip. I love all of you. Peace and safety for all of you. And until next time, Fasifua. Peace.